Good morning, everyone. I will talk with you today about the parabola. And uh, First, what is a parabola? If we graph a quadratic equation, we call that graph a parabola. The graph of quadratic equation is look like this one, or like this, or maybe like this. In first, the second, we call this parabola is open up. The third one, the parabola is open down. Okay. uh, if the parabola opens up, we have in each one we have a vertex. This is the vertex. Okay, this is the vertex. In the first one, the graph goes down until reach this point, and then it goes up. This vertex is the minimum point in this case. So if the parabola opens up, the vertex is the minimum point as the first and the second graph. The third one, if we notice here, the function goes up and at, until it reaches this point, it goes down. This vertex here is the maximum point. So we have minimum point or maximum point. If it opens up, we have minimum point. If it opens down, we have maximum point. In this graph, this is the vertex. If we want to read this vertex of the parabola, we read the x first, 1, then we read y coordinate, -4. So this is the vertex. How many x-intercepts we have? Yes, we have two x-intercepts, this point and this point. These 2 points are x-intercepts, this one and this one. Okay, this is -1 and this is 3. The x-coordinate here is -1 and 3. If we notice that the vertex is in the middle between these 2 points, between -1 and 3. This is 2 here, 2 steps here, in the middle exactly. Okay, so if we know the x-intercepts, we can know where the vertex exactly. It's between these 2 points, -1 and 3. The number between is 1. Okay, this is the coordinate, the x-coordinate of the vertex, 1. So the x-coordinate for the vertex in this graph is 1, which is the point between -1 and 3. If we draw a line from this point, if we draw a line pass through the vertex, we can call that line the axis of symmetry. Okay, so this line is the axis of symmetry. And what is the axis of symmetry? The axis of symmetry here is the line that divide this graph into two graphs, into two parts, which they are the same. If it's like a mirror, okay? So each point here and here, if we folded this graph, it will be the same. Okay, so this is the axis of symmetry, which is passed through the vertex of the parabola. Let's see some questions. Which parabola open up? I think this is easy one. Choose uh, all the correct answers. The first one, open down. This is open up, and this is open up. Okay, another example. Which parabola has exactly one x-intercept? The x-intercept is the point that the graph intersects with the x-axis. This is the x-axis and this is the graph. The graph cut the x-axis at 2 points, so we have two x-intercept for the first one. The second, the graph and the x-axis. The graph doesn't cut the x-axis, so we don't have any x-intercept. The third one, we have only one x-intercept. So the third one is the correct answer. Okay. In this one, a parabola intersects the x-axis at 3 and at 9. Okay. Can you know where is the x-coordinate of the vertex? Where can we find the vertex? Of course, I don't know if it's up or down, but should be in point between these two, between 3 and 9. How many units between 3 and 9? If we count, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's in the middle. 1 unit 3, this point. Okay, so the vertex should be on this line. This is the axis of symmetry should be here. So the vertex should be at any point on this axis of symmetry. That means the x-coordinate of the parabola vertex is 6. This point is 6 here, so the x-coordinate is 6, which is between 3 and 9. Okay, I think this is an easy way for to know what is the parabola and what is the vertex, what is the axis of symmetry or the symmetric line, and this is very easy one. I hope you listen to the video. If you don't understand anything, you can call me, you can contact with me, send me any message, I will explain it to you again. Don't forget to do your assignment on Khan Academy. It's the same as we were talking now. Okay, have a good day and bye.